Hello everyone, this is Guy from East Midlands, and today I'm reviewing the Kingtop Coffee Grinder. If I unplug it, I'll show you main things about it. It's actually a little bit bigger than I thought it would be from the picture. It's fairly good size to fit in the kitchen there, I've got plenty of space for it. Underneath it's got this quite nifty bit here so that you can put the cable away, so that if you're keeping it out permanently you can always have just the right amount of cable, so there's not cable trailing all over your kitchen. I actually really do quite appreciate that. Inside you've just got this blade which spins around to grind your coffee. You've got a lid, and the lid fits on quite smartly. And that's it, and then all you do is you press that down and that turns it on and off, and whether you have it on for 10 seconds or 30 seconds you'll get a slightly different grind. So I'm going to plug it in and have a go. So first of all, what I found is that it's quite quiet compared to what I expected. So it's nothing like a normal blender or anything, it's relatively silent. You can still hear me having a talk while I'm using it. It also comes with a brush to clean it and a spare blade, so that if that ever dulls then you can replace it nice and easy. So for something that's so cheap, I think that's really, really good. So, to open my favourite brand of coffee, I've ordered the beans especially for this review. Okay, so that's me spilling the beans. Good God. Okay, here we go. So, ready to see all those beans in there? Put it flat and grind it a bit more. That looks about perfect already. So, it didn't take long at all. Once you've opened it, you can't turn it on by mistake anymore, so you're quite safe. So that's about it. And you, God, it smells wonderful. Fill up your coffee machine. I've just got myself an espresso machine, and I've been enjoying using that for all my coffee lately. However, behind it I do still have my normal coffee machine that makes you standard mugs of coffee, and you can use this for either. So long as you get good coffee beans, you'll be very happy. So I dump that down there. A few more bits in. Hey presto, perfect coffee.